Hey guys, this is a new Gemmy 6-foot cat with a rotating head that I got yesterday. Works good. He's in perfect condition. And quick update: all the ones that weren't sold last year and were an older design inflatable, they're being sold on Yardinflatables, and pretty much all of them will come in this box. Just like the cat. As you can see, there's the cat and there's the back of the box. What you would expect from other inflatables that come in that box. Anyways, I'm gonna plug them in. Shit, that one's too loose. There it is. I gotta move him over a bit. Setting him up in my room, so it's kind of a pain in the butt to do. Just a second, I need to get him just right. And is that as far as you can go? Oh, you can go farther. Anyways, here's the cat. The cat with the rotating head that came out this year. And if you have one and it's starting to fade, I recommend you buy one on Yardinflatables. It's definitely worth $70. It was actually $87 with shipping, but so you got the it's kind of hard to see with this kind of lighting, but it's got the animated head mechanism and 3 lights. So here's a quick view of the cat. He's a 6 foot long. Here's a view of him. The motor's kind of squeaking, but I just got it yesterday, so yeah. Hoping to get him set up by tomorrow, along with like 2 other inflatables. Anyways, definitely get this inflatable if you're looking for one of these. Definitely worth the $60. And anyways, thanks for watching, and bye.